What's up, everyone? Bullberry in the plane. Analysts are bullish on Roblox with over 56% potential gain. Let's break it down.
After a sharp drop, Roblox stock looks very attractive near $55, with analysts targeting a solid $90.
Roblox isn't just a game. It's a massive creative platform where over 144 million people build and play every single day. This is what I love to see, Town. Roblox paid users almost doubled to 36.7 million. Global growth is on fire.
Advertising revenue is accelerating fast, payments are getting cheaper, and adults are just starting to join the Roblox party. Roblox is rolling out powerful AI tools that let anyone create full games just from text and images. This is huge.
New age verification is bringing in more adults and making monetization much stronger across the whole platform.
Advertising is scaling fast with new immersive formats, and they're introducing revenue sharing for creators soon. This is next level.
Roblox crashed to an attractive $55, but analysts are calling for $90. The smart money is buying this dip hard. Don't miss the rocket launch.
Roblox has monster long-term upside. Yes, it's risky, but the reward could be enormous. Are you in? Thanks for watching, friends. Take care, stay alert, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.